And welcome back. So yesterday I just recently finished my PC build and I needed an internet connection for it, so I went ahead and bought this USB adapter right here. For Wi-Fi USB adapter, works with up to Wi-Fi AC. It's compatible with other Wi-Fi systems too. So instead of using an Ethernet cable and having to drag a wire, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this USB. Hopefully it'll give me fast connections, as fast as an Ethernet cable. Alright, so I have the USB adapter here. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it comes with. Alright, so it seems like it's the getting started guide right here. Probably has like some warranty information, how to install it. Yep, warranty information. And tells you how to install drivers and all that. Alright, cool. So it seems like it comes with a resource CD, but I'm not gonna use a CD. I'm just gonna go ahead and install the drivers straight from their website. Has the USB adapter and also a dock, in case I just want to stand it up. Alright, so this is the dock for it right here. I just want to stand it up on my desk or on top of the CPU or whatever. So this part plugs into the CPU and you could just go ahead and set this up on top. Or you just plug it straight ahead into the CPU from here. Has an adjustable dual band antenna for extended reach. And I'm hoping this works really well because my Wi-Fi is actually all the way downstairs and there's like a bunch of walls in between it. My Wi-Fi router sits behind the TV and the TV is recessed in the wall, so there's actually like a bunch of stuff blocking it. So hopefully this works well. And it goes like this. This part here plugs into the CPU. Or you can just plug it straight ahead into the CPU socket, to the USB 3.0 socket. And after you install the drivers and everything, it should work fine. I mean, hopefully shouldn't be any issues. All right, and that's all with them unboxing, just something quick. And I'm gonna go ahead and install the drivers and test out the Wi-Fi speeds on this, see how it works. Okay, so I'm on the NETGEAR website here. Go ahead and download the driver for the Wi-Fi adapter. All right, go ahead and open up the folder. All right, it's installing. Okay, so it installed. Now I just have to go ahead and set up the app. All right, so the adapter is installed. Let's hit next. Okay, choose the Wi-Fi that you have at home. Connect. All right, then you put in your Wi-Fi password. Okay, it's connected. And you can see the speeds, signal. 650 megabits per second, and it just fluctuates up and down depending on the connection. So I'm not sure if my laptop has a USB 3.0 port, but to get the most out of it, you have to plug it into a USB 3.0 port. And it's not bad, actually. Alright, so that was the unboxing and install of the NETGEAR AC1200 Wi-Fi adapter. Alright, so I guess you see that's the average speeds I'm getting. It's almost 300 megabits per second. Alright, and that's it. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future unboxing videos. Thanks for watching.